Alright guys, so welcome back. This is the last part of the password generator. In the previous part, we had seen the final logic. We had just not seen the, it was an incomplete password, incomplete function, that is a generate password. So in this, we'll be filling that generate password thing. So all this was in the previous part. Let's go into generate password function. So in this generate password, again, like I told, the input parameters would be length, followed by the boolean use special characters, followed by the boolean use numbers. Whether you have to use numbers or not, we have to use a special characters or not. Now, first thing is first, what we have to do is the password's length should be greater than 3. Less than 3 is becomes very predictable. So you have to keep it at least greater than 3. So if the length is if the length what the user has entered is less than 3, then we throw an error saying password length must be at least 3. So again, so that he'll change the password length. Now, after that, here we have to again see the random number. So basically this is for random number generator. Now, after that, we have the first step, that is the first character must be an alphabet. Alright, so the logic behind this is the first character would be an alphabet followed by the number of characters until the length minus 2, and then the next character would be a number if he has opted for number, and followed by the special character if he has opted for special character. Simple. Now, so the password is initially empty. Here you can see the string password. It is initially empty, nothing it has. Now after that we have to add to that password what is basically a random alphabet from the character. So a random this thing from the character. So this is the character string. So from this we have to choose a random character first. So you can choose anywhere between small a to capital small a to capital A and small z to capital Z, anything. So totally everything you can choose. Now after that, the system chooses, my bad. Now it goes on to the first character. Now followed by we have to fill the remaining this thing with the characters until minus 2. If the length of the password is 5, then we'll be filling characters until third length. After that, for third index, fourth and fifth index would be a number followed by special character if they are opted, or else that also would be a character. Now, since I told length minus 2, we'll go from the first one because 0 is already taken, 0th index is already taken by a character. Now, from first index till the length minus 2. For example, if the length is 7, from first till the fifth index. So 6 and 7 would be remaining. Till the fifth index, we'll be filling again with the character, string character. That is again from this small a to small z, capital A to capital Z, again this one. Now, we have to add a number or alphabet based on use numbers. Simple. If the use numbers boolean is yes, if the user wants to use number, then we'll be filling the next character, next space with the string number. If use numbers is there, then we'll be using with the string number, or else we'll be using with the string character. Same. Basically, if the number is yes, then we'll be using this, or else we'll be using from this. Simple. For the next space. Now, for the last space, similarly, if there is special characters permission, then we'll be using the special characters from the special character, one of the character, or else we'll be using from the string character, that is the character string. Alphabets. Simple. After that, a password is ready. Now let us go into the main function. The same thing again. We have the three parts: length, use special characters, use numbers. After that, we have to get the user input, the three parameters from that. After that, we'll be using try and catch loop here. So try is basically to generate the password. If there is any error, then we throw whatever the error is that is there in the catch. It catches the errors and then it throws that as an exception. If the try loop works, if you get a generated password, then you just print a generated password. Simple. Now let me run the program. Sorry. Enter the length of the password. I will enter 7 this time. I'll include special characters. Yes, I need special characters. I don't need numbers. I'll just click no for numbers. So if you observe what the logic behind the program, what we have written, it basically is the first 6 characters would be alphabets followed by one special character. Alright, so you can see the first 6 characters A, J, B, E, S, Z. All these are alphabets followed by one special character. Simple. Let me submit the program. I hope you guys have understood this program. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, if you want to practice more such problems, then you can go pro on CodeChef. You can practice all these problems on the CodeChef platform. So give this a try, and I'll see you with the next project. So the discuss is fast, and yeah, thank you for watching.